more trillions from the ECB, and billions could be flowing into Stellar XLM. But the ECB this morning, top news, has said that they are concerned about panic in the debt market. And what does this mean? And what they've been saying further to that is they will step up bond buying to quell the 10-year yield, to push it down. Because remember what happened with the 10-year yield? When the 10-year yield went up, it started going up 10 basis points at a time, 10 at a time, 10 at a time. The Dixie also rose as well. And I believe the ECB do not want that. They do not want a stronger dollar than it already is, because it will be difficult to purchase from the USA. It will be much more expensive. And so with that, the ECB's plans to buy bonds is to actually decrease that 10-year yield. And also, the USA have announced already that they will be spending another $300 billion for the tech sector. And that could also be flooding into crypto, because what is stock market positive, what is tech positive, is also crypto positive. So what we could be seeing actually, in fact, is a rise in the 10-year yield just slightly before the ECB steps in to quell that steep hockey stick that we're seeing with the Dixie, because I believe that when the 10-year yield goes up, it has that effect on the Dixie. It seems to have some divergence with the euro and the Dixie, the British pound, which pushes them down. So actually the purchasing power of both of those currencies are less when it comes to purchasing from the USA. And so with that, those tools are being used by the ECB. And when you think about that, if that is the case, that is massively stock market positive. So a lower Dixie, a lower euro, a lower dollar is actually stock market positive, is actually crypto positive. Because remember, cryptos, Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Cardano, Binance Coin, they all seem to, Ethereum for that matter, they all seem to be following the DJI. They all seem to follow the industrial average. So when we look at that through previous analysis, we can see clearly the trend. And at the moment, when we look at the trend with that fundamental news, we can see that clearly it looks like we found the bottom, and this fundamental news that's just coming in is reinforcing that with the Fed speech. Even though we have a technical recession now in the USA, 2 quarters of GDP figures have been negative, which is a technical recession. Even though we are in that situation, the stock market will rise in value. So all your assets will go up in value if this plays out. Cryptos will go up in value. The Dow Jones will go up in value. All of those stocks there. And that has absolute confluence with cryptos. So it's clear that billions more will be flowing into Stellar XLM because of the ECB, because of the US government with their $300 billion plan to inject that into the tech sector. I think we found a bottom, people. You know, I think I've already entered the market. I'll let you know that. I've already picked up some more Stellar XLM. I've already picked up some more Bitcoin Cash. And did you see that? If you haven't seen that, when Bitcoin Cash found its bottom, it neared that $90. I think it actually hit $90, and then boom, we had that nice green bull flag, another one on top of that. And you know what that is? That is swing high, new swing high after new swing high, which is setting a clear precedent, which is setting a new trend for reversal. And you can see that with Ethereum, you can see that with other digital assets, you can see that it's clearly, the markets is clearly moving up. Crypto's full market cap is above $1 trillion again, and I think we found a bottom, people. Anyway, I just wanted to bring that news to you. I'm Nathan of Zion, aka Nathan. Smash that Zion coin up there, like and subscribe. Check out the next video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day now.